Alright, like what FedEx just dropped off for me. And in case you didn't know, this is an AN fitting, which is the last puzzle piece to starting the car up and getting the tune done. So it's going to be our fitting from the AMS fuel rail over to the flex fuel inline fuel filter. So let's go ahead and throw that on the car. And here is our area of focus. So in case you guys missed the last video, I can give you a quick rundown. I have the new AMS fuel rail installed with the new 1300cc injectors. Follow our hose, comes all the way across and exits right here on top of our inline fuel filter. So we're going to go ahead and install that 90-degree AN fitting, hook it up, and we should be able to start the car up. Alright, just wanted to make sure it fits up here properly. So the female end matched up very well with the male end. Let's go ahead and take off this end. This will be the side that attaches to our hose. So keep in mind, this line was already pretty much prepped from when I bought it, so we don't really need to do any preparations on that end. So inside this fitting, there's be a little wall towards the end. So you can see all the threads. At the end of the threads, there's an actual wall. So when you slide on that line, it's going to hit that end of the wall. It's going to seat into place. Edge of this hose is right along the end of that wall. That's what you want. So it took a little bit of finagling. So I turned it counterclockwise, back and forth, while pushing side to side. I was able to go ahead and shimmy its way all the way towards the end. But now that that's there, we're going to go ahead and lube up this barb, put it on, and get it nice and tight. Now this is just to assist on getting it on. Don't need a lot of it. Alright, here we go. Adapter is nice and tight. I had to use wrenches, of course. And let's go ahead and throw her on our filter. Well, there you have it. 6 AN attached to our filter. We'll go ahead and run her up, check for leaks, and call it a video. So back in over to the car. If you guys remember that blue wire, that just has to get plugged back in. So there it goes. That's plugged back in. Let's go ahead and crank her up and check everything. Alright, she's running and not bogging out. So that is why we do leak checks. We weren't leaking from here or anywhere on the lines. However, on our fuel rail, on the dampener, that was leaking. So we're going to go ahead and tighten that down and recheck everything. Alright, start the car back up after the dampener was tightened down. Leak is now gone. Check the rest of the lines. We are good. Alright, well there you have it. That's going to wrap up today's little 6 AN fitting install on our AMS fuel rail to our inline fuel filter. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, ways to do that better, or something I need to clarify on, lay a comment down below. I'll address them for you. So, with that being said, I can go ahead and start my tuning process.